So now let's see how we can work around with noise and pixel sort effect inside of HitFilm. So over here you can see that I have this particular clip right here, and in order to add in noise, I'm going to go around under the effects tab right here, and I'm going to go around and scroll down and then expand out the grunge option right here. Once I do that, I'm going to go around and scroll down over here, and here you can see that noise is an option. So if I were to go around and click and drag this out and drag it around over here, then what happens is that you can see that I can start seeing noise right here, just like this. So that is what you have right here. You can start seeing noise. You can go around and increase out the amount of noise right here, and then you can see that this is what you have. You got a colorful noise, as you can see right here. But what you can also do is you can have monochrome noise right here, so you don't have color noise right here, but it's like monochrome noise right here. You can go around and change up the seed right here to change around the starting point of the noise right here, just like this as well. So that is noise right here. Let me just go around and delete out this effect. And another type of effect that you can work with is pixel sort. So if I were to go around and click and drag this out right here, then what happens is that you can see that if I were to go around over here, you can start seeing effect like this right here. So if I were to go around and play this out, then you can see that it sorts out the pixel out right here, just like this. You can go around and base it off blue right here. You can go around and base it off average right here and change around the brightness level, like change around the minimum brightness level right here, max out the brightness level right here, just like this. You can go around and change around the edge. You can change around the direction as well, just like this, and so forth over here. You can go around and sort out the transparency right here, just like this, and then change around the reveal mode as well, just like this. You can go around and change around the reveal and noise right here, just like this, and then this is what you have, as you can see. So that is how you can go around and utilize the pixel sort as well. And on top of that, of course, you can go around and utilize the noise as well, and you got a bit of pixel sort and noise on top of that, just like that. So that is how you can utilize the noise and pixel sort effects inside of clips in HitFilm. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.